It's clear. Excuse me, it's clearing my sinuses out. I got a hiccup. Oh god. The first time I did this, I got hiccups too.
Yeah, a little bit of mouth pain and throat pain.
I don't like this challenge. Yeah, it's one of the harder ones for me.
Yeah, just a real high concentration of Scovilles.
Pepper powder.
Yeah.
I think I just have the hiccups now. Great. I had a coughing fit before we started this video. My eyes were watering so bad, and now it's way worse.
Yeah, still getting over a cold. Whew.
We should at least try to squeeze in the ginger tug. We don't have much time.
Let's do it.
2 minutes. Yeah. You don't mind. Oh my gosh. Stupid hiccups. Okay, well,